everyone, it's Miss Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library District here to show you how to do the youth craft. Now the craft this week is going to be an ugly sweater ornament, okay? And see on the back I've written my name and the year because if Miss Penny was here, that's what she'd be telling you to do, to make sure you write your name, right? All right, just want to show that to you again. All right, now I'm going to tell you how to make that. So in your craft kit, you're going to get a piece of felt, and you're going to be getting some directions on how to make a hanger for your ornament, and some instructions. And on the other side of the instructions, there's even some ideas, all right? Some idea sparks, okay, to design your own ugly sweater. Now, the other thing you're going to get is a piece of cardstock. Now, I have to explain this to you because on one piece of cardstock is the entry form for our card contest that we had back in September, I believe it was. Well, we don't need that side. We need the other side. And on this side here has the templates that you can cut out to design your ugly sweater. So you're going to pick whichever one you want, whichever ugly sweater you want to do, and you're going to cut it out, and then you're going to fold your piece of felt, okay, in half. And try to make it even around the edges. There we go. And then you want the folded part to be at the top of your sweater. So I'm going to put a pin here right now just so I know where the top is. See that? And then I'm going to pin my sweater, it's like a pattern, onto my piece of felt. You might get a big person to help you with this. You can also staple it on too. I've done that before, where I've stapled my templates on a piece of felt before I cut it out. Okay, now see, it's pinned together, all right? Because we want this to stay together, because we want both sides to be the same size. All right, so once I've done that, once I've pinned that, I'm going to cut it out. And I've done that already for you. See? And are you ready for this? Peekaboo, I see you. Yep. It's connected at the shoulders. That's why it's really important to keep the part folded across the top, because that's the part that's going to go on your hanger. But I'm going to also show you how to make a hanger. All right, see? Here we go. Oops. Now don't worry, we're going to glue this on there so your hanger won't be so wobbly. Now there's a couple different ways you can make your hanger. One way is to use the paper clip that I'm going to include in your craft kit, or you can also use a pipe cleaner and just create your own hanger too, okay? So whichever hanger you decide you want to do, you're going to go ahead and make that right after you've cut out your sweater pattern, because you want to put that inside. Use this one here. All right, see, there we go. And then I'm going to glue the two pieces together. That way the hanger will stay in place. And then the fun part starts. Oops. You're going to glue this on there. All right, oops, my glue is coming out. I'll have to wipe off that extra glue. Okay, see now? It just hangs there, doesn't it? Perfect. And now we get to decorate our ugly sweater. Now you don't have to make it ugly. You can make it pretty if you like. And you can use different things. In your craft kit, I'm going to put a whole bunch of different like foam stickers, which you'll have to use glue probably to get them to stick onto the felt. And we're also going to have some ribbon and some pom-poms. Yeah, all the cool stuff. Now, if you have some at home, maybe your mom or big sister, big brother, has some puffy paint, and you can use puffy paint too to draw designs on there, or you can use a marker. All right, and that's how I put my name on mine. I used a marker, okay? You could also use different color markers. Permanent markers would probably work the best, and you can just draw a design on there, and you can put some glue on there, and then just glue different things down there. I'll also include some sparkly stuff too, all right? See? And then you'll have that for years and years. So maybe I will work with you for a little bit, and we will design a sweater together. Let's see, what can I put on there? I think this would be snazzy. So I put a pom-pom on there. I think that Olaf, the snowman, I think he would be cool. Oh, you know what? He wasn't Olaf. I thought he was Olaf, but as I'm peeling apart the pieces, I'm thinking that he is probably maybe a penguin. All right, I'm gonna put that right in the middle of my sweater here. All right, I might need to use some glue, we'll see. All right, so what do you think? It's coming along, isn't it? All right, let me show you how to make the hanger. There's a couple different ways you can make a hanger. One way I showed you was to do with a clothespin, I'm not a clothespin, sorry, a paper clip. Or you can use a Chanel stem. And I have another one here. Let me find that. Where did it go? Let's see, where did oh, there it is. All right, and that looks kind of funny, doesn't it? But I'm gonna undo this for a second, just so I can show you how it looks. But probably once you put your hanger in there, you're going to want to glue the two sides of your sweater together so it can hang on your tree. Oops. There we go. So here's the thing. After you've cut out your sweater, you're going to make your hanger and then glue the two pieces of the sweater together. See? And now, that's another way you can do a hanger, see? All right? You can just hang on your tree. Pom-pom came off. All right. So if you want to use a Chanel stem, all you have to do is just kind of twist it, okay? Because that gives it some strength. And then you want to make an area so that it can, you ready for this? There we go. See? There's my hanger, and that'll fit right inside my sweater. See, just like that one did. Or you can use a paper clip. Let me show you how to do that, how I made this. You're going to undo the paper clip, and be careful, the paper clip can be sharp. And we're going to curl one piece at the top. There we go. Let's see, I think I need some tools here, which maybe the big person has at home for you. All right. And then we're going to wrap this around here. Like I said, this part here is a little tricky. So that's why you might want to do the stem instead of the pipe cleaner. There we go. Let's see here. All right. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. I'm bending this sharp piece down so that I can make a hanger, okay? There you go. So there's a couple different ways you can do it. You can also just use a piece of a ribbon too, okay, to hang that on there. All right, I think everyone knows what we're doing now. Make sure you clean up your mess afterwards, okay? All right, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you again soon at the library. Bye.